come along today. Mama and Papa Dog are ready to play. A brand new day, let's bark and cheer. Adventure time is finally here. We wake up, sun is rising, up we hop. Mama Dog makes coffee, pop, pop, pop. Papa Dog stretches big and wide. Puppy jumps to Mama's side. Good morning world, we wag our tails. A brand new day, adventure never fails. Breakfast time, eggs on the table, toast so warm. Papa flips pancakes with puppy charm. Mama pours milk in a tiny cup. Baby dog drinks it all right up. Breakfast done, let's wash our paws. Adventure time with happy paws. Cleaning the house, sweep, 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 the floor is clean. Mama Dog makes the kitchen gleam. Papa Dog folds clothes so neat. Puppy taps a dancing beat. Working together fast and slow. Teamwork makes our love grow. Walk to the park. Leash on tight, let's walk the lane. Papa Dog sniffs flowers in the rain. Mama Dog hums a happy tune. Puppy chases butterflies under the moon. Off to the park, we laugh and trot. Mama and Papa Dog love this a lot. Playing in the park, hit the ball, it rolls so far. Puppy races like a shooting star. Mama Dog swings, Papa climbs a tree. Everyone giggles with joyful glee. Playtime fun from start to end. Every day's better with a friend. Shopping day. Cart goes rolling down the aisle. Mama Dog walks with a gentle smile. Papa Dog grabs apples red. Puppy picks cookies instead. Shopping done, hooray, hooray. Adventure fills our happy day. Well, back at home we take a rest. Soft warm beds are truly the best. Mama reads stories, Papa sings too. Puppy dreams of skies so blue. Resting time gives us the power for more fun in the evening hour. Dinner time! Stir the pot and smell the soup. Mama Dog leads the cooking group. Papa fries veggies, Puppy sets the table. Helping out as much as he's able. Dinner's ready, sit in a row. Family love begins to glow. Nighttime, stars are shining, the sky is deep. Mama whispers, time for sleep. Papa Dog hugs with gentle care. Baby Dog cuddles his teddy bear.